Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to play Slapjack. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Slapjack is an awesome card game. It's really easy to play, and I'm going to show you exactly how to play it so that you can learn to play it in this video. So you want to start off by dealing the cards equally after they've been shuffled to each player. So every player gets the same number of cards. In this case, we have 4 players, okay? So each player has been dealt 13 cards, okay? Now, the person to the left of the dealer starts first, okay? So let's assume that this person is the dealer, so this person is gonna start first, and then it continues in a clockwise motion. Now that person, all the cards are face down, as you can see, okay? What they're gonna do, whoever's turn it is going to flip the card out to be face up, and you flip it out like that so that everyone sees it at the same time, okay? Then the next person is going to play, and the play will continue. So this person is going to flip their card out into the center pile face up, and the playing continues until a jack is drawn, okay? So we're going to continue playing until a jack is drawn. Now the reason that the game is called Slapjack is because when a jack is drawn, someone has to slap the table, okay? So as you can see right here, in this case, a jack is drawn. Let's assume that this player slaps the table. So they have to slap not the table, but the center pile of cards. So this player slaps that jack right there. Well, then this player gets all of these cards. They don't get shuffled. You just pick them up. Whoever slapped the center pile first gets all the cards, you pick them up and you place them at the bottom of your deck, right over here, okay? So this player won that round right there. Very simple and straightforward, okay? So the player there are a few ways to go at this point, but the way that I've learned to play was the player that won that round puts the next card down. So this player will put the next card down, then this player, then this player, and this would continue until you get another jack, okay? There's a jack. So let's say this player slapped the center pile with the jack on it. This player now gets all of these cards unshuffled on the bottom of their deck. Just like that, okay? The objective is to win all of the cards. Now, so this player won. This player is gonna go, then this player. Now let's say that this player over here slaps a card that's not a jack. So this player slapped this card that's not a jack, okay? Well then this player, the player who slapped the center pile incorrectly, has to give their top card, without showing it, their top card to the person who played the card that they slapped incorrectly, okay? So they give their top card to this player over here, and this player gets their top card. So this player gets the card of the person who slapped it incorrectly. Very simple and straightforward, okay? And then the game proceeds and continues. The way that you win is one person gets all of the cards in the deck, okay? Let's assume that this person won a new hand, so I'm just gonna place these over here. Now, let's assume that this player is now out, okay? They've gotten rid of all of their cards, they're out, okay? They can still play, in the sense that if a jack is played into the center, the player who doesn't have cards anymore can still slap the center and get those cards as a reward. However, if a player loses all their cards and they slap the center and there's no jack, so they slap the center incorrectly, then that means that they're out of the game for good, okay? So keep that in mind. If someone loses their cards, they can still slap the jack in the center and take those cards and get back in the game. However, if they slap incorrectly, then they're out of the game. And obviously, as you're playing, you skip over this player. So, you know, these people would play, you'd skip this player and continue like that, okay? And the game finishes when someone wins all of the cards, okay? And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.